not seen a visionary like him. The program has been already oversubscribed, more than 3 times oversubscribed.
मोदी जी फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर आ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਚੈਨਲ 'ਚ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੇਲੀਆ ਵਾਸੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਫਰਜ਼ ਬਣਦਾ ਅਤੇ ਬੜ ਧਰਤੀ ਨੂੰ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰੀਏ।
That's a very big moment for all our Indians that's living here.
This is Ramesh Japra. Today I'm talking to you about the historic visit of Honorable Shri Narendra Modi ji, the Prime Minister of India, coming to Silicon Valley in California on the 27th of September 2015. We are all excited, the whole Indian American community and the community at large is very, very excited to have Shri Narendra Modi ji. I've been here for 37 years. I've met a lot of prime ministers, but I had to go to Washington, D.C. or New York to meet them. This is the first time, and it's only because a visionary like Narendra Modi ji, who has thought of coming to Silicon Valley and inspire the technologically, economically, and intellectually rich Indian Americans and meet them, and also not only come and address them, but also have special meetings, which is going to inspire a lot of us. And we are not going to help only ourselves, but we also going to engage ourselves to help India, help Indians in India, and help Indians globally all over the world. This can only be the beginning of a great initiative which a visionary like Narendra Modi has taken, and we all going to join. Everybody's looking forward to it. So please join me and join us. I'm privileged to be part of the organizing committee for this historic visit, 27th of September at the SAP Center in San Jose, the capital of Silicon Valley. See you all there.
I've been working in this community for the last 25 years in Bay Area, and we are all excited about our Prime Minister Modi ji's visit to Bay Area and Silicon Valley on September 27th here, and we'll be having this program in SAP Center, and the program has been already oversubscribed. We thought that they had only 17,500 tickets and more than 3 times oversubscribed. So it's very exciting for all of us, and we are just counting days for him to arrive in this Silicon Valley. He is a great visionary. He has done tremendous image change for India in the past 1 year, 1.5 years. In entire Silicon Valley, all the people are coming here, and there are meetings going on, and where all these high-tech people and community people from gurdwaras, temples, so they were never mixing at any time. This time you see all top and high level and low level, all people mixing together in one place, and they are talking about this program. It feels very, very exciting. We met Bora community. They are very, very excited to come and meet him and see him in the auditorium, in the arena. And there are Sikh people, Jain, Jews, all kinds of people are coming, and they are all excited to see this great personality. I think we can give message to everybody that if at all anybody has to come and join, if they have no seats to come inside, there will be all kinds of programs outside the SAP Center, and it will be a festive atmosphere all over.
जय माता दी, नमस्कार। मेरा नाम राज पनौत, मैं को फाउंडर ਤੇ ट्रेजर ऑफ हिंदू टेंपल सनीवेल। मैं सारे